Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today we're just gonna open these packages. I literally just got them right now. So let's see what's in here. Okay, the first thing I got was an outfit. And I thought this outfit was cute because it was a two-piece set and it was like a collared shirt. You see that? These are like one of those 90s shirts. Do you remember them? The polyester shirts? Do you remember these? It kind of looks like an old school OG top. It's short sleeve, plain in the back, and crop. So I got this in small, but I don't know how it will fit me. Probably a little bit baggy. This is the skirt. It has a side zipper, and it's just a pleated skirt, a regular skirt. But to be honest, on me, this might look a little bit kind of, you know, it might be long. I might be incorrect. Let me see. Yeah, it fits me fine, just kind of like mid thigh. So it's pretty conservative. And the top, I'm not too sure because it looks so baggy. But actually, when I put it to my waist, it fits my waist fine. In fact, it's like 3 inches too small. So like I think with the stretch material, it will be fitted. So that'll look cute. I think the only thing I found was that the buttons are kind of contrasting. I mean, I think it's kind of cute with the it matches the theme, like the 90s, how it used to have we used to have all these contrasting colors and prints and stuff. And it kind of looks a little bit 90s. So I don't know. I'm kind of excited to wear it. So I give this outfit I mean, for its price, I don't believe I paid more than like $7 for it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Ooh, I got these. Again, I got keto apple cider vinegar gummies. These have the mother in there, and they're like 10 calories per serving for two gummies. Here's one. Taste it. It's good. They're warm. Now these gummies, I think they're sugar free, and I think I got them under $10. So I mean, they were close to $5. So I was like, I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get these. I think they were like on sale with a coupon. So, I give these a 10 out of 10. I love taking these during the day or before a meal, and it makes me feel like I'm doing something, you know, to like maintain weight. So here I have a cup. Why do I have a cup? Well, in the summertime I get really thirsty all the time, so I just bought a cafeteria cup. One of those you just put a bunch of ice in, put some iced tea or water, lemonade, soda, whatever you drink. I think it's worth the $2 and like 50 cents. And it's pretty cute. I kind of like that having cafeteria stuff around the house. And I bought these. I thought this was cool because like I saw on TikTok, I thought like it was like a cool thing to have sunglasses. I thought it was a trend. So I bought some sunglasses that were like $20, around $25. And I thought like I was like, this is a good deal. but I'm not paying more than $25 for sunglasses, so I just got these, and these are AX or money exchange. Let me see what they look like. These are gray, and they're how do you call them? Those pilot ones that Britney Spears wears. And they've got like the gunmetal on the sides with the logo on both sides. They're pretty cool. They look like tactical, which is really cool, but I don't think the color is my style. I don't plan on buying the any other kind, but um I don't know. I like more girly stuff like cat eye. That's my thing, I think. But I got them because like I thought like it would help my show prop. And then um and then I'm not sure what these two are, but they sure are little. Oh, I know what these are. These are my Hygiene. And I got actually, hold on. This is Bath and Body Works Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Oh my god, that sounds so good right now. And this says it has vitamin B5 and aloe vera. Um, we can smell it. I don't mind opening it and seeing how well it smells because these get mad good review. And to be honest, when I was younger, I used to love their floral scents. Like that was my thing. Like I had to like have all the new scents when I was a kid. Like I used to love it. But when I got older, my skin got really sensitive. So like I ended up using like Dove, Ivory. But this smells really good. It's kind of a masculine smell like a musk. But I mean it's okay. It's okay. It smells pretty cute. Now let's see this one. So I got these foam wedges because I can't live without these. I'm sorry, but I know these are kind of hazardous around the house to leave around the house, but like I'll just keep them at my vanity, at my desk. And you know, they come with 32 for like um, under $4 or like three something with coupon. These are Amazon Basics. And they're really soft. And I can't wait to use these. And then of course I got my bubble gum, Trident, sugar-free, original flavor. And then I went and bought these. This is like crazy. This is crazy. This is shampoo and conditioner in honey by Garnier Whole Blends. So like this is like their kind of trendy line. And it's like got Manuka honey, lavender, and acacia, which is like a superfood. And Manuka is like known for like healing properties. And lavender is known for cleaning properties. So it makes sense, but like I don't know. I feel like um I don't know, I feel like they should have told me it was small. I don't know. I just feel like they should have told me it was small. They should have told me that it wasn't black, and I don't know. Um but I like my haul overall. And thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. My sound different. Bye bye.